7 smart personal finance habits you need in 2025. Fast cut clips of young people stressed about bills, then cut to scenes of freedom, travel, nice homes, relaxed mornings. If you don't master your money now, your money will master you. In 2025, the gap between the broke and the wealthy, it's growing faster than your student loan interest. And no, switching to oat milk won't save your finances, unless you own stock in the company. This is your wake-up call. Let's unlock the 7 smart personal finance habits you need this year, not just to survive, but to build the wealthy life you deserve. Habit 1. Track every dollar like it's a spy thriller. Action movie-style montage of someone budgeting on their phone like they're defusing a bomb. You can't control what you don't track. Budgeting apps aren't boring. They're your first weapon. Want to feel rich? Know exactly where your money is hiding. Think of it as stalking your paycheck, legally, but tracking is just the start, because what you do next with that money, that's what separates winners from wanderers. Habit 2. Pay yourself first, ruthlessly. A dollar bill splits. One part goes into savings, the other burns in expenses. Before Netflix, brunch, or that emergency Amazon cart, put at least 20% away, like your future depends on it. Because it does. Future you doesn't want your leftovers. They want your first fruits. Habit 3. Automate like a lazy genius. Money flowing through systems like dominoes. Automated savings, bills, and investments remove emotion and temptation. Set it once. Let it roll. Wealth isn't about hustle. It's about smart systems. Think of it like financial autopilot. Only this plane actually lands. Habit 4. Build an emergency fund. Before the emergency. Storm clouds. Someone reaching for cash from a safety vault. Life doesn't send warnings. $1,000 today can stop $10,000 in future debt. But while defense protects you, offense builds you. Habit 5. Invest early, even if it's $5. Plants growing from coins, graphs rising over time. Stop waiting to have enough to invest. Start now. Compound interest is your quiet, compounding ally. Think of it as planting money trees, but only if you start planting. Habit 6. Learn to delay pleasure like a boss. Someone walks past luxury shoes, invests instead. Flash forward to them driving a luxury car years later. Sacrifice now, flex later. The ability to say not yet is what the wealthy have mastered. Because broke people buy stuff, rich people buy freedom. Who you hang out with affects your net worth. Be around people who talk stocks, not just shots. Normalize wealth-building convos in your group chat. If your friends clown you for investing, it's time to upgrade your tribe, not your wardrobe.